So this is the Tau Development Gadget striker control device. This piece right here replaces the backplate on your Glock slide. And what it allows you to do is to keep your thumb, to keep pressure on the striker as you holster it, just for an added level of security, which some people will say, you know, is totally unnecessary. It's the same technique that people have used with hammer-fired guns for a long time. You thumb the hammer as you holster the gun, and it allows you to maintain control over that hammer hitting the firing pin. This is the same idea. So as you can see, this moves as you pull the trigger, and keep your thumb on it when you holster. It'll maintain that pressure on the striker to ensure that if something were to get into the trigger guard and start pulling the trigger, you would feel that pressure. So, Tau Development striker control device going on my carry Glock. So now when I go to holster my gun, particularly appendix, if something gets in the trigger guard, I can feel it on my thumb. I can feel that pressure, right? And I know, oh, I better stop reholstering because my gun's gonna fire. So that's pretty much it. And it drops back down. The only thing I'm not crazy about is it is kind of loose, like with gravity at all. Obviously it sits flat, okay, and then the striker, so there it is. It's also made out of aluminum, I believe, so it's not a plastic piece. Tau Development striker control device.